Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Steffi. For today's look, I have decided to create a sultry look which is more of a wet and dewy look with nice attractive eyes and nude lips. So if you guys are ready, let's start the video. First of all, I am toning my skin using the rose water. Then use any moisturizer which is hydrating. Then of course, I am prepping my skin with the primer from Blue Heaven Studio Perfection. This is a non-greasy primer, helps in filling pores and fine lines. For a dewy look, use any stroke or liquid highlighter before foundation, but I have mixed the highlighter with my foundation here, and the foundation I am using is from Wet n Wild.
Yes, so you can already see these parts are glowing. This is because of the highlighter or liquid highlighter which we had mixed with the foundation. You can use any highlighter, you can mix with any highlighter if it's not liquid, any solid highlighter, anything you can mix with the foundation, and if you use it, you will see this change. Okay, so let's do with the other things. So now I'm going to conceal my eyes with the concealer, and then we'll blend it very nicely. And then I'm highlighting the high points of my face. Okay, so remember, when we are creating a dewy look, we'll set the face, but we'll use very little of the translucent powder. And that's it. Contouring is a must for those who are having a round face like me. Here I am using a contour powder from Trisugar. So I guess it's very clear, you can see what contouring can does to your face. It is giving a very definite structure to your face, right? Now let's get done with the brows. So I'm using this transparent mascara from Wet n Wild. Set my eyebrows in place. And then I'm using this Wet n Wild pomade. So we are done with the eyebrows. Today we are going to keep the eyeshadow part very simple. So let's start. So today I am using the eyeshadow palette by Revolution. First of all, I am taking this black, very little, and using it as a transition shade in the corner side. A little bit in the crease also. And then using my finger, I am taking this grey shade, shimmery shade, and using it on the eyelids. So using both these colors, I'm going to use it in the lower lash line. For the kajal, I'm using this gel eyeliner from Music Flower. Now I'm using this Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline. So this is the complete eye look. We are not going to use any eyeliner today. For creating this wetty, dewy look, I'm also skipping the blush today. So we are directly jumping into the highlighter part. For lipstick, I am choosing this shade from Maybelline, and the shade name is Barely Nudes. wait for the final look now.
And this is the final look. I went with a grey one piece and a sleek earring and make my hair completely wet to create the wet look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And for your convenience, I am listing all the products information in the description box below. You will also find my socials there. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys, and I'll see you soon with a new video.